Have you ever wanted to learn the guitar, but have no idea in knowing whether the information you're getting is going to give you the solid foundation that you need? Well, stick around because today I got a real game changer for beginners. My name is Rob Reed. I'm a public school music teacher. Let's check it out. There's so many guitar methods out there, it's hard to know where to start and which one to dedicate yourself to. In my opinion, The Complete Guitar Player by Russ Shipton is the best book for learning how to play the guitar. I actually used this book when I first started out, and it gave me that solid foundation that I needed so that I could go on and play any song I wanted to. Whoa. So why is this book such a game changer for beginners? Let's break it down. The book is super easy to follow and really well laid out. It's kind of like a magazine with a relaxed feel. If you're a visual learner like me, it's got cool pictures of the artists, nice chord diagrams and pictures, and the songs are kind of laid out like a road map or a blueprint where you see the bars and the beats and the chord changes. And it shows you how the time signature connects to the strumming patterns. No complicated theory whatsoever. And make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. You can start to make it better. If you want to book a one-to-one coaching call with me, check the link below and find a time that works for you. We can go through the book, we can talk about your technique, and I can give you any pointers you need to get you to the next level. My favorite thing about the book is that it's step-by-step learning. You can move at your own pace and take it in small, digestible bites. It starts at the very beginning with the parts of the guitar, the string names and numbers, how to hold the guitar, how to hold a pick, and how to tune your guitar. Then it moves into your first 3 basic chords. You can master those. And then you move on and apply those chords to some really simple, popular songs. You get some simple strumming patterns that move into more complicated patterns, and you can use these patterns for any song that you want to learn. Next, it moves into the bass drum style, which is really great for country, and it progressively gets more complicated, and ends up with the fingerstyle method, my absolute favorite style of playing. You can use all these 3 styles to basically move on and play any song you want after that. Before you call him a man, how many seas? Another great thing I love about the book is that it's centered around learning songs. And in my opinion, learning songs is the best way to learn the guitar because it's exciting and motivating, and how cool is it that you're learning how to play something that you hear on the radio. It's got all the classics, Dylan, the Beatles, Elton John, Eric Clapton, and lots of modern stuff too. Another reason why I love this book is all the resources that are included. It actually comes with a CD of the songs that you're learning. So you can listen to the song and listen to the guitar part and hear what you're supposed to sound like and what you're supposed to be doing with the song. It takes the guesswork out of it and you know how to sound good. And you can play along with the CD and be a member of Clapton's band. How cool is that? Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to the one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. The book comes in volumes 1, 2, and 3. You can buy them separately or get them in one big book like I have. You can pick it up on Amazon for around $28, and it's got lots of great reviews. This is the absolute best book for learning the guitar in my opinion. It's going to give you the solid foundation that you need to move on and be able to play any song that you want. If you want to know the best beginner guitar to buy, check out this video. See you in the next one.